Hey there everyone, Jason Tapali here from the Edge Strength and Conditioning, and I'm just doing this test little video here because I want to try and do these things in the truck while I'm driving. Hopefully I won't have an accident like I almost just did there. So I'm just doing this test little video out on my 360 cam because I see a lot of PTs on Instagram, Facebook and all that stuff filming themselves while they're driving, and I can understand that because sometimes it's the only chance you get to be able to video yourself or do any tips and stuff. So I want to do this because I like, if people know me, I like being a bit more technical. I could do it with my phone, but people know me, and if anyone knows me, that I always have to just overdo it a little bit and just go a little bit further than the norm. So just hopefully the truck will hit me here. So yeah, I thought I'd do this thing on my 360 cam so you can see me while I'm driving. I'm going to look at the camera lens when I can, but also in post-production I'll be able to pan around, so you'll be able to see where I'm driving. Also, this is another good thing, just in case I do have an accident, I've got the camera here to record any accidents, so or any problems. So I want to do this a lot more. So I want to put some more hints and tips because I've got plans in the future of doing lots more videos like this. Now it's coming to spring, end of winter, spring, summer. I'm going to be doing some more videos. I'm going away in March to do some ski videos and snowboarding videos with my 360 cams. I'm getting more into my cameras and video and editing a lot more. I want to do this more in the future because I'm getting really good at it and I want to get more and more into it. But I'm still going to be doing a PT and a strength and conditioning. At the moment I've just gone to the gym. I'm just going around. I'm going to be stuck in traffic again now, but I'm still going to be doing strength and conditioning. What I like to do is maybe go into more photography in the future, but I'll have to look into that because of how much money cameras cost, because I've got a few cameras but they're not professional, they're sort of basic stuff ones. So so on these little videos I want to give away a few hints and tips about strength training, and just today I'm just going to talk about quickly like research shows that progressive strength training is the best way to stay strong, stay lean and stay injury free. I've been saying this for a long time. I do strength focused training and conditioning and action sports conditioning as well. So I say action sports conditioning more than just ordinary conditioning because I do like snowboarding, skiing, surfing. I've done skateboarding and all the sort of action sports that you see in the X Games and all that stuff. I can do sports conditioning for other things. I'm just going over a speed bump here. Like for rugby, tennis, swimming. I've trained athletes and semi-professionals in the past, so I can easily do that. But my demographic now, because I'm 47 next month, I want to. Let's just get around this corner without being in here. I want to do more my demographics of clients that are in the 35s, 45s, 50s, 60s plus, because I can relate that to them. When I was younger, in my 20s and 30s, I was doing skiing, snowboarding and all that stuff. Had hardly any injuries, touch wood, I never broke anything. But now, as I'm getting like mid-40s, I'm feeling the effects of it over the years. I've got patella tendonitis, Achilles tendonitis, and it's a bit painful. Ooh, almost went through a red light there, just make sure. So I'm picking up little injuries, and these niggles are coming back to haunt me when I'm getting older. So, and it's not just me; it just happens to everyone. I talk to people, guys in the 20s and 30s, and they think it's not going to happen to them. Trust me, it probably will happen to them when they get older. And so this is where proper strength training with an intelligently programmed, structured workout will help you be injury free. Now, I'm not saying that you're not going to get injuries, because it just happens to everyone, but it's going to help you stay strong when you get later, when you get older. It's going to help your bone density, especially for women. Osteoporosis is a bit more common in females, and also strength training is the best way to keep lean. you do big compound lifts, big compound movements, is probably going to be better for you than doing endless rounds of cardio, because it doesn't really work. Not unless you do it all the time. But strength training, building up the lean muscle, that's going to keep you strong, going to keep you lean, and also, like I say, keep you injury free. So I'm just going to leave it there while I'm going around. So hopefully, while I've been talking, in post-production, you'll be able to see where I'm going and driving. Nothing really interesting. I'm just in the middle of Exeter, just going back to the gym. I'm Jason DeParley from The Edge Strength and Conditioning. I hope you like this video. I'm going to chuck this one video up on YouTube and Instagram. So if you see this on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button down in the far corner. Please subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to do lots more videos. Also, I'll put a link onto my Instagram account, because what I don't put on my YouTube channel, I'm going to put a lot more content on my Instagram channel. If I said that right. If I don't put it on my YouTube channel, I'll put it on my Instagram channel. So that I'm going to put a lot more onto that. So there's more content onto that. So I hope you like this video. Please like and share, like I say, and I shall see you on another video coming real soon.